In the wild, the big preys on the small. Even to this day, we celebrate these universal truths. Meet Mashin, the bear, and Mushi, the cat. It was in the early 2000s that volunteers first saw Mushi, the cat, inside the 800-pound bear, Mashin's cage. While the volunteers feared that the cat had walked into its own death trap, they were shocked to see that it was nothing like that in the cage. The bear was happy to have a pal. It was so obvious that these two were brothers from different mothers. 7 years later, when Mashin's cage was renovated, the pair had very less time with each other. Mushi was so broken that she would sit still outside Mashin's temporary space and cry. After that episode, they've never been separated from each other ever again. This is Mushi and Mashin at their first dinner after the epic separation. No one knows what Mushi and Mashin have to discuss with each other. No one even knows where Mushi came from and what made her approach the giant Mashin without fear. But they know that nothing and no one can replace their love for each other. Cuddling and kissing war between Mushi the cat and Mashin the bear. Apart from being astonishingly unreal, these two have redefined man's conception of a bear as well as a cat, right? With the right friend, even the bear likes to chill. Share this unlikely friendship with your friends too.